Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. So today, I will show you how to copy a link of the selected TikTok. First and foremost, we need to go to the TikTok app. As you can see right now, if you want to copy a link of this video and share to your friends. For example, so to do it smoothly, let's tap on the share option, which is located on the right side of the screen. And as you can see, we have the copy link feature. If you don't have this button here, you just only have to swipe the period list to the right side and click on this button. Wait a minute please, link is copied. Now so to use it or to share it to your friends, you just only have to go to the messenger and paste the copied link on the needful bar. So let's send it, and well done, right? Now you know how to smoothly share the video you want using just only a link. So guys, don't forget about likes, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Good luck, bye bye.